Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphones QCY T13 to the application. You have to start by open settings, then go to Bluetooth. Now open the charging case and press and hold connection button for at least 3 seconds. Here we go. Now click on your headphones and remove your headphones from the charging case. Now hide the settings and open QCY application. Click Add Device, Add Earbuds. Oh, sorry, no. Just click here. I understand. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.